Phone battery running low? Hi, this is Rubina Mong and these are 5 ways you can boost battery life on your iPhone. First, switch to dark mode. Now iPhones have OLED displays and white screens consume the most battery. Switch to dark mode on your phone to get just a little bit more. Second, got a Pro model? That 120Hz display can seriously drain your battery. Go to accessibility, select motion under vision and tap limit frame rate. The phone will now max out at 60Hz. Third, turn off background refresh. Now switching off background refresh limits apps from constantly checking the internet and consecutively improves battery life. Fourth, switch on optimized charging. Located under battery settings, optimized charging will ensure that your battery stays healthy for years to come. And fifth, finally, if you need your phone to go the extra mile, tap the low power battery mode. Now this will reduce the phone's performance and give you a few more hours of use. Does your iPhone last all day or do you have to go hunting for a charger at work? Let me know in the comments.